guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Ayes. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Ayes. Welcome to my family. Please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. For my old subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. May God richly bless each and every one of you in Jesus' name, amen. So guys, the topic before us today, we are going to talk about 5 things that break a marriage. Yeah, the 5 reasons why marriages are breaking. Today, that is what we are going to talk about. Now, if you have interest in this video, don't go away. Keep on watching to the very end of this video. So we want to talk about the 5 reasons why some marriages are breaking in Europe or in diaspora. Yes, 5 reasons why they are breaking here. Number 1. No. I know before I go, don't judge, guys, don't judge me. I'm a married woman. Yes, I live in Europe. Marriages are breaking in everywhere. I watched a video on this YouTube. Is a what is her name again? Nezevi. She talked about why marriages are breaking in Europe. That why they decide to let go is because they don't have the stigma which attached to marriage, which are affecting people in Nigeria. My sister, that stigma is still affecting people in Europe, not only Nigeria. People are still going through that stigma too. People are still going that criticizing thing. People are still going through here where they are divorced in Europe, not only Nigeria. That's a side. So number 1 thing why marriages are breaking in Europe is getting in the marriage for the wrong reason. Getting married for the wrong reason. That is the number 1 thing. Why do I say getting married for the wrong reason? You got married to your husband, or as a man, you got married to a woman because of what you can take from that woman. Because of the gain you have seen you will gain in marrying that woman. Some in Europe, they marry because they want a document from you. Some marry because they see you have the money which they can take from you. That is the reason they got into that marriage. And some women go into marriage because they see the man is worthy, they will be able to take care of her responsibility. No, yes, it's a normal thing for a man to take care of the responsibilities of his wife. Yeah, it's normal. But as a woman, don't go into marriage because you don't have interest in that marriage. Well, the interest you have there is because of the wealth that is in the marriage, or the things, the guy is handsome, is so cute, he look presentable. He look presentable, so you go into the marriage. At the end, you find out that there is nothing left for you there. That is the number 1 reason. And number 1 mistake most people are making in the society today. Okay, number 2 is becoming lost in the roles. Becoming lost in the roles of mother. This is for the women. And after we give birth to our kids, we actually forgot about our partner. I'm a mother. We actually forgot about our partner. We focus more on the kids, most of us, and we forgot the moment while we are taking our kids as the priority, we forgot about our partner. Our marriage and our relationship is going down. We are separating ourselves from our spouse. Yes, kids, I know most of the time kids take our time, but we need to create time to be with our partner. Yes, we need to be creating time for that, because that is the reason most marriages are breaking today. I have kids now, I need to cook for my kids. You forgot about your man, your whole husband. All you think about is your kids dad, your kids this. I need to take care of my kids, but you don't have time for your marriage anymore. Don't forget, someday your kids will grow up and leave you. It's only you and your husband that will be staying at home. That is what my auntie told me on my marriage day. I can still remember that word. She said, my darling Ace, I love you so much, but remember, focus on your marriage while you have kids. I didn't say don't focus on your kids, but focus on your marriage, because your kids are going to leave you someday. That is true. Your kids will leave someday. You need to build that relationship. The way you started from the relationship, you need to build it even when they are kids. I know it's not easy. Yes, I've been there. It's not easy. It's not an easy thing. Sometimes you just create time for only both of you, only two of you. Just be there. Don't be so entangled with that mother roles and my children this. It's good for a mother to take care of her kids, but also take care of your husband. Yes, also take care of your husband. It's very, very important. Okay, so number 3 is finance problem, money problem. Some marriages are breaking today because of money, because the man don't have enough to take care of the family, or the woman is not having working. So it's happening in all marriages today. In Europe here, some women can bear with you. Why some they don't want to stay? Because there is no money. I can't be suffering. I can't be doing this. Yes, sometimes marriage is for better, for worse. As I always said, marriage is for better. Sometimes it will be sweet. Sometimes it will be bitter. That is life. Sometimes situation will be occurring in life. You don't have solutions to. But sometimes everywhere will just be okay. Everything will be fine. There will not be stress. There will not be too much of things that are happening. Marriages are like that too. Yes, marriages are like that too. Yeah, na so it's sometimes money go there. Una go dey enjoy, una go live well. Sometimes e no go there error. Now you will still understand, say e no dey. My sister, understand, e no dey. If your mother who is in that marriage for 30 years, she have to open her mouth and explain to you what she's going through, what she's still going through now in that marriage. You will cry. You will, in short, you will be shouting, Jesus, Mommy, how come you never told me all this? That is marriage for you. So, how many number are we now? I believe we are in number 4 now. So, number 5 is inability to resolve conflicts, problems. As normal, when a man and a woman, even you, let me use this as an example, you living with your siblings at home, your siblings that they gave birth to you, you live under the same roof all your life, you still fight and quarrel, you still make up. That is talk of marriage, which the person you are getting married to, you don't know him. Both of you meet. It's not your brother. It's not your sister. Now meet, now decide, now take decisions. So now want to make this union work. You want the union to work for better. During real, conflict must come. Problems must come. Disagreements must come. You must disagree to agree. Yes, in that process of disagreeing, that is the process you guys will understand yourselves. Yeah, it's when you will understand, this is what my partner like, this is what he don't like. So I should stop doing this, I should stop doing that because my partner is always angry when I do this. This is what is causing problem in my marriage. This is what is making me angry. This is what is making my husband angry. It's just like that. That's how marriages is. So during that disagreement, we disagree to agree at the end. You should understand and have a forgiving heart too. Most women, they find it difficult to forgive their spouse. Yeah, it's true. They find it difficult, you did this, but you forgot what you are doing and the secret which your partner don't know about. The day your nyash go open, your partner go tell you not going to do again. So marriage now for better, for worse. No one owes sweet fast. All of us they manage our own. Na me talking. Nobody owns one. Now they see social media posts here and there. I beg you. So, the last one is lack of communications. Sister, I've seen marriage. The husband and the wife will sit at the living room. Both of them, the husband will be at the other side, while the wife will be at the other side. They will not be talking to each other. The husband is pressing phone, the wife is pressing phone, just like that. But sometimes, communicate with your gist. And the one we they call gist. Talk about something, bring something up, spicing up things. Just talk, gist, talk of something, how you guys met, how it was, how he is, the way you when you met him, how she was when you met her. Just like that, don't bring out something, gist about something, about the kids, when you were pregnant, you were so fat, when you after giving birth, you were. Just talk about something. It brings communication. Do you know why you talk about those things that are not really relevant? It brings out the real relevant things. Yes. It brings out the real relevant. Then you will know this thing. My husband has been harboring this thing in his heart. He did not spill it out. That very day, he will spill it out to you. And some men will, so you are beholding this thing. Why don't you tell me? You know, just gist. Talk about things, what you have done, your childhood, how you were, how I was. Just bring out something, irrelevant things. Just say, gisting's sake. Communication is very, very important in a marriage. That is the most and very, very vital thing that leads to broken of marriage. Communications. In this era we are today. And the other one that I will be adding is in the other room. Intimacy. Yes. Most women they don't want to get intimate with their husband, and most men don't want to get intimate with their wives. Do you know why that is happening? Sometimes it's the women's fault. In some cases, it's still the men's fault. So some men are beginning to avoid their wives because they have become fat after giving birth to kids. They had a little bit of weight. I know I was not like this when I was not like this 15 years ago. I was not like this. This is how I am now. So your kids make me to look like this. Accept me the way I am. And the women too. Don't take this as an excuse that I don't want to go to the other room. I've been working since morning and working. What are you working? That you don't have time to get intimate with your husband. No. It's his right. You can't deny him of that. He have right and every right to it. But if you are tired, make him understand. I'm tired. I can't go in the other room with you. He will understand. But not always. Not always. I will be coming back with this topic. Yes, I'll be coming back with this topic. We need to discuss this very intimacy topic more. Because this is what is mostly breaking marriages of today. This is breaking most marriages of today. This intimacy, women are complaining, it's not this, it's not that. Accept your partner the way they are. Don't worry, guys. We will continue this intimacy again next time in our next program. All right, my people. I know some of you will say this guy never talk about this sex finish. Yes, this sex issue, it affects most marriage today. This sex issue, it dey make most marriage dey fail today. So we dey fear to talk am. Make society not say we too spoil, but not true. They fail us. All right, my amazing family, this is the end of this topic. I will have to go now. I'll say share this video to people who needs to hear this. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.